And instead of it ending into a beautiful wedding that everyone is anticipating, it probably might end up in tears. Because Sogalizwe, I can see him doing things that are not, he's not authenticating himself on that app. He is doing something that is illegal. And in Kosiami, I hope and pray that he is doing something that won't land him in jail. What a good man that is going to end up in jail, like his brother Musa. So I'm just hoping ukuthi nje whatever le ayenzayo on that work app ayihambelani nokutshontsha imali. Why do I say this? It looks like Sogalezwe has run into financial crisis because the money that he took out for Mahadi, and there is also money yabakongi, the people that went to go and pay lobola, and also the money yabamvulamlomo before we can actually get into paying lobola. There's also money for the drinks that they had to bring, and it has to be expensive vein. So which now also over and above that, the big wedding that Mampo wants, which is costing more than 250,000. And besides that, Ugogo Ngapa, on the other hand, he wants money to renovate her house, which that is costing her around 150,000. So that is a lot of money from Usoka Lezwe, and everybody believes that Usoka Lezwe has money. This was then outlined when during the celebration ya ntate Isaac ke he Molefe a ya ko Soka a mmotsisa a re he monna o dutse mo o didimetse ho iragalang a mme o shapo a re no ke shapo mara the thing is Molefe, to be honest, I think I'm drowning because this thing ya Mahadi is ya lenyalo is a problem because now it's like honya ke ga tšhelete e ngata e leng gore ga ke na yona, and I don't even know gore how do I then begin to explain gore tšhelete o a ke na yona ke ha Molefe a ntsha tšhelete a mo fa a mo romela yona ka phone. Now my question is, we did not get to know, or we were not told how much did Molefe bring, because now if Molefe is gonna go to House of Zwide a re yena o tlile ka taxi o tla tsamaya ka terene. Guys, Molefe is a joke. He probably sent him 50 rand. A re tlatlalletsa for lejana. Ha ke mo tshepe. Thing is, nna ke a wara, nna Molefe wa stress. Molefe wa stress and nna ha ke mo tshepe. Anywho, so Molefe sent him some money, and it looks like Sogalezo was very thankful. Would say, yo, you know what? You try to help me, but he's still gonna need more. Now Molefe suggests that he should go to Baba Isaac and just lay his story down, and he did. But Ungaro Joshkaza Hagamiti, because he was unable to tell him exactly why he was there, but then he ended up on saying, no, I was here to say thank you very much for being there for me. And then Utamai said into ya mahadi ka tsela e nepagetseng, so I just want to appreciate you. Le go go bolelela gore wa itse keng, the role that you played, I really appreciate, and it's gonna stay in my heart. And Isaac was like, thank you, but I can see that there's something that you want to tell me. No, there isn't any other thing. Then he leaves, but you could see that he was worried. Then Isaac goes to Maria, tells Maria, I think Sokalezo wants money. Maria says, no, Soka ki accountant, Soka wala chelete every day. So Soka hanya ki chelete, Soka u right ka chelete. In fact, Soka akafari na chelete. So now that was actually believable because now he bought a new car. And you ask yourself, is how is he going to do the wedding if he bought a new car and he says he's running in debt? Now ashuwe mampo ujabulile amaponsula jabulile ufonela mewa hayi uribona. So Galezo utlile ka koloi e pila bona naki to do, please don't call me, I will call you. So that confirms what Isaac says gore so Galezo na unyaka chelete, and then it confirms to Maria gore so Galezo actually does not need money. Did I even greet you, son? But an option modweni minjani hipoglengo. This is what happens when someone is sleeping on the job. Ndilibele noguni khunta bafethu. But again, anyway, on the other hand, Umlife is contesting to be a model for this new range clothing line, Yaga. But guys, how does Mulife think that he's going to be a model? Well, it looks like Umchanawa decided to go and find Ukris, according to the industry. It looks like he's someone Elohorwatina. pila pila and what bona ubiang biang. And the question is, are these boys going to even now? Do they have money to pay his call out fee? I don't think they do, and I think that's not gonna work. And the only option that they will have is Mulife, who came got and got training, and then they'll just have to pay him next to nothing or not pay at all. Because what do you mean you can call a model, a professional model, to come and model for you, and then you want to negotiate rates? Well, it looks like Uile Utuhile no, so probably this would be his comeback. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.